Look what we got. Amtrak 100. I'll let you guys look at the... This is cool. So cool. I can't believe I'm right in front of it. Alright, let's go take a look at what the rest of it is. Amtrak 100. What is this? 50-year anniversary heritage. Well, a special paint engine. Connect. 50 years. Right there. Connecting America for 50 years. This is so exciting. What a treat to see. Oh my gosh. It's blue. That's what I can say. Oh my gosh. 100. Right there. 100. Oh, wow. Hold on, I'm gonna take some pictures. Alright, got my pictures. With my phone. It is actually, wow, this is cool. Let's go take a look at the back of this thing. Back is wow. This is it. This is what I came here for. Amtrak 100. This is what I came here for. What a catch this is. I'm so mind-blown. This is the first time I ever came here to catch something beautiful here. Wow. Like, I just can't stand. Like it's blue. Blue, that's what I can tell you. Blue, blue, blue. 50 years, Amtrak. Wow. This is cool. Ah, Beach Grove. Right there, Beach Grove. Beach Grove. Now the other side came from Beach Grove Shops. Camera's getting hot, so thank Yeah. And so this is a awesome catch. This is awesome. $101 last time. Wait, camera's getting pretty hot, but thank you all for watching. Have a nice and a safe weekend, including have a safe Sunday, including have a safe Father's Day, including have a safe week too. And hopefully I'll see you guys in July. Bye-bye.